how to reconcile American Express with QuickBooks online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, log in to your QuickBooks online account and go to the Transactions tab on the left side menu and select Reconcile. Now, on clicking on the Reconcile tab, you will see the following screen. Step 2. Before you start the reconciliation process, you need to pick an account from the drop-down menu that you want to reconcile. Further, add additional information such as beginning balance, statement ending balance, statement ending date, and add service charges or interest earned if needed, but it is not mandatory. Once you have added all these details, you can hit the Start Reconciling button, but before reconciling your credit card, ensure the opening balance is QBO matches the opening balance on your statement. Next, go ahead and reconcile credit card transactions. Once you tap on Start Reconciling, the next screen that appears with all the uncleared transaction. Carefully complete each transaction listed in QBO with those on your statement. If the transaction matches, check it off in QBO. The goal is to get the difference to zero out by matching all transactions. Once you have matched all transactions and the difference is zero, click on the Finish Now button. And if you need more time, tap on the Save for Later option and QBO will save your progress. And if you want to exit without saving the changes you made, you can simply tap on the Close Without Saving button. And with this is the screen you will see once you have reconciled your credit card charges. So tap on the Finish Now button. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.